Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Hi, so happy you're here with us today.
We are really glad you joined us for another episode.
Today is a fun one. I've been looking forward to this topic all week.
Me too. Today, we are talking about travel, specifically, your favorite travel plan.
Yes, your dream trip. Where do you want to go? How do you want to get there?
We're going to talk about how to describe your travel plans in English. Simple, natural English.
And by the end of this episode, you'll be able to talk about your own travel plans in English.
So let's get started. But first, Alice, can I say something to our listeners?
Of course.
If you enjoy these episodes, please subscribe to our channel. It really helps us, and it means you'll never miss a new episode.
Yes, please subscribe. I love making these episodes, and I want you to be here for all of them.
Okay, now let's talk about travel.
Wow, I love travel so much. Even just talking about it makes me happy.
Same. So here's a question for you. Have you ever planned a trip, but you haven't gone yet?
Like a dream trip.
Exactly. A trip you really want to take someday.
I have so many of those. My list is very long.
Mine too. And today, we want to help our listeners talk about those trips in English.
Because travel is such a great topic for conversation. Everyone has a travel dream.
And when you meet someone new, they often ask, "Where do you want to travel?" Or, "Do you have any travel plans?"
And now we'll know exactly what to say.
That's right. Okay, let's start with some vocabulary, some useful words and phrases for talking about travel plans.
Perfect. I'm ready.
The first phrase is, "I would love to visit." I would love to visit.
Oh, I would love to visit, and then the place?
Exactly. So, for example, I would love to visit Japan, or I would love to visit Italy.
Oh, that's so natural sounding. I would love to visit Brazil.
See? Easy. Try it yourself, listener. Think of a place and say, "I would love to visit."
You can do it.
Just fill in the blank with your dream destination.
The next phrase, "My dream destination is my dream destination."
Eh? What does destination mean?
Great question. A destination is the place you are going to. Your destination is where you want to go.
So my dream destination is the place I dream about visiting.
Exactly. So you can say, "My dream destination is New Zealand," or "My dream destination is Greece."
My dream destination is...
So hard to choose. Maybe Portugal.
Great choice. My dream destination is Iceland.
Well, Iceland. That sounds amazing.
It really does. Okay, next phrase. I'm planning to go to. I'm planning to go to.
Oh, so this one is for when you have an actual plan, not just a dream?
Right. When you have more of a real plan. For example, I'm planning to go to Thailand next summer.
Oh, so it sounds like it's really happening.
Exactly. I'm planning to go to sounds more serious, more real, more decided.
Got it. I'm planning to go to Portugal next year. Maybe I'll actually do it this time.
Let's hope so. Now, the next word is really useful. Transportation. Transportation.
Transportation?
Transportation. It means how you travel, how you get from one place to another.
Oh, like by plane or by train or by car.
Exactly. So you might say, "I want to travel by plane," or "I prefer traveling by train."
Oh, I love traveling by train. It's so relaxing.
Me too. And in many countries, the train is a beautiful way to see the scenery.
Scenery.
Is that our next word?
It is, good catch. Scenery. The natural views around you, mountains, rivers, countryside, ocean.
Wow, the scenery in New Zealand looks incredible.
It really does. Beautiful scenery. And that's a great phrase, the scenery is beautiful, or I want to see the scenery.
The scenery is beautiful. I can picture it already.
Okay, next phrase, I want to try the local food. Local food.
Yo, oh yes, this is so important for travel.
It is. Local food means the food that is traditional or special in that place.
Like eating pasta in Italy or sushi in Japan.
Exactly. So you can say, I want to try the local food, or I'm excited to try the local food in Vietnam.
Wow, Vietnamese food is amazing. The local food in Vietnam is so flavorful.
It really is. And this phrase, I want to try the local food, is perfect for conversations about travel.
Yi? Can I also say, I want to eat the local food?
Yes, you can. Both are natural. Try sounds a little more adventurous. Eat is also perfectly fine.
Ah, good to know. I'll say try to sound more adventurous.
Perfect. Okay, next. I'm excited about.
Oh, I use this one all the time.
It's a great phrase. You use it to talk about something you are looking forward to. Something that makes you happy when you think about it.
Like,
I'm excited about visiting the temples in Japan, or I'm excited about seeing the northern lights.
Exactly. I'm excited about plus a noun or a verb with ing.
Oh, so I could say, I'm excited about trying new food.
Perfect. Yes, I'm excited about trying new food in Mexico. That's beautiful English.
Yo, yes! I'm excited about trying new food in Mexico. That sounds so natural.
It really does. Okay, one more phrase. I plan to stay for. I plan to stay for.
oh, for how long?
Exactly. You use this to say how many days or weeks you will be somewhere. I plan to stay for 3 days. Or, I plan to stay for 2 weeks.
So it's not just where you go, it's also how long you stay.
Right. And this is a very common question when people talk about travel. How long are you planning to stay? And you answer, I plan to stay for.
I plan to stay for 1 month in Portugal, in my dream.
A whole month. I like your style, Alice.
Thank you.
Okay, so let me check. We have I would love to visit. My dream destination is I'm planning to go to transportation, scenery. I want to try the local food I'm excited about, and I plan to stay for.
That's all of them. 8 phrases and words. Very useful for talking about your travel plans.
Wow, 8. That's a lot, but they all feel really natural.
They do. And now let's put them together. Let's do a role play.
Yo, yes! I love the role play part.
Me too. So let's pretend we are 2 friends talking about our travel plans. I'll start.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Hey, Alice. Do you have any travel plans coming up?
Actually, yes. My dream destination is Japan. I would love to visit Japan next spring.
Oh, Japan. That's amazing. How long are you planning to stay?
I plan to stay for about 2 weeks.
I think 2 weeks is enough to see a few cities.
That sounds like a great plan. How are you getting there?
By plane, of course. The transportation is the longest part. It's a very long flight from where I live.
It really is, but worth it, right?
Wow, absolutely worth it. I'm so excited about seeing the temples and the countryside. The scenery in Japan is supposed to be just breathtaking.
It really is. And the food. Don't forget the food.
Yo, oh yes, I want to try all the local food, everything. Ramen, sushi, tempura, matcha desserts.
You're making me hungry.
Me too. Oh, what about you? Do you have any travel plans?
I'm planning to go to Iceland. Someday. My dream destination is Iceland. I want to see the northern lights.
Wow, the Northern Lights.
That's incredible. I've always wanted to see those too.
It's on my list. I want to travel by train across part of Iceland too, if I can. The scenery there looks unreal.
Oh, by train. How wonderful. I'm excited about planning a trip like that someday.
Me too. Okay, and that's the end of our role play.
That was so fun. Did you hear all the phrases we used?
Let's look at a few of them. Alice said, "My dream destination is Japan, and I plan to stay for about 2 weeks."
And you said, I'm planning to go to Iceland, and I want to travel by train.
All of those are natural, real phrases. The kind of things English speakers really say.
And they weren't complicated.
Short sentences, clear ideas. You can do this.
You really can. Okay, now let's talk about some common mistakes. Alice, can you make a mistake for us?
I'm so good at this part. Okay, how about this? I want go Japan next year.
Something is missing there.
Ye? Is it wrong?
It's almost right, but we need 2. I want to go to Japan. 2 twos.
I want to go to Japan, not just I want go Japan.
Exactly. In English, after want, we use to plus a verb. I want to go. I want to see. I want to try.
I want to go to Japan. Got it. That makes sense.
Great. Another common mistake. I am very exciting about my trip.
Oh, wait. Is that wrong?
It sounds okay.
It's a very common mistake. Exciting and excited are different.
Right. I am excited. That describes how I feel. Exciting describes the thing.
Exactly. So we say, I am excited about my trip. The trip is exciting, but I am excited.
Oh, so I feel excited. And the trip is exciting. They're both right, just in different situations.
Perfect. You've got it.
I used to make that mistake all the time.
A lot of people do. It's very normal. The important thing is, now you know.
Yo, now I know. And so do our listeners.
Okay, now, listener, this is your moment. We want you to speak out loud. Are you ready?
Yo, yes, practice time.
Repeat after me. Ready? My dream destination is, and say your place.
Go ahead. Say it out loud, even if you're alone. Even if you're on the bus, whisper it if you have to.
My dream destination is, say your place. Fill in the blank.
Now try this one. I would love to visit.
Say a country, a city, anywhere you dream about.
Beautiful. Now, one more. I'm excited about, and tell us what you're excited about on your trip.
Maybe.
I'm excited about trying the local food, or I'm excited about seeing the scenery.
Whatever feels true for you, the important thing is, you said it. In English.
Yo, that's huge. Really, give yourself some credit.
Absolutely. Learning a language takes courage, and you are doing it.
I remember when English felt so hard to me. Every conversation felt scary.
Oh, and now?
Now I have a whole podcast.
So things change.
They really do. And listener, your English is changing too. Every episode, every word, every practice moment, it adds up.
It really does. Don't stop. Keep going.
Okay, let's wrap up. Today we talked about travel plans, and we learned some really useful phrases.
Let me say the most important ones again. First, my dream destination is. Use this when you talk about where you really want to go.
Second, I would love to visit. Use this to talk about a place that makes you excited just thinking about it.
And third,
I'm excited about. Use this to talk about the specific things you're looking forward to on your trip.
Those 3 phrases will take you far, literally and figuratively.
Oh, that was a good one, literally and figuratively.
And now, we have a question for you. We would love to read your answer in the comments.
Yes, here's the question. Where is your dream destination, and what are you most excited about there?
Write your answer in the comments below. In English, of course. We read all of them.
We really do. It makes us so happy to hear about your travel dreams.
And if you want more episodes like this one, subscribe. It's free, it's easy, and it helps us keep making content for you.
yo, subscribe!
And share this episode with a friend who is also learning English.
A travel buddy who speaks English, even better.
Exactly. Okay, everyone, it was so wonderful spending this time with you today.
It really was. Thank you for listening, for practicing, for being here.
Keep learning. Keep speaking. You are doing so well.
Until next time, travel safely, dream big, and keep your English growing.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.